Press Conference Dewa United Banten FC menghadapi Bayangkara Presisi Lampung FC yang akan dihelat besok malam di Stadion Indomilk Arena Tangerang. Telah hadir bersama kita semua pelatih kepala dari Dewa United Banten FC, Coach Johannes Hendrikus Ordlerikring, dan peraturan pemain dari Dewa United Banten FC Lampung 97, Mas Edo Fabriansyah, Mas Edo dan Coach Ian, serta Coach Bayu. Terima kasih telah hadir pada pre-match sore hari ini. Untuk pertanyaan pertama mungkin seperti biasa, Coach, how was the preparation with the tight schedule of Dewa United against Bayangkara tomorrow?
Yeah, it takes some management to organize everything. I think today we will train, but of course at very low intensity, and then tomorrow we go to the game. But as we know, we have 5 important games to go. First of all, Bayangkara, and secondly the game in Manila. And I think for us it's clear that we have. I also, in the beginning of the season, of course, the first objective was to be champion, and I made some realistic goals for our team, because I think that's important. If you know the dot on the horizon, that you know where you work for. And I think for now, it's first getting back in the top 6, and then after that, if we manage it, then back in the top 4. But that's for the competition. And the second one is winning the AFC Champions League.
Butuh manajemen dan organisasi yang baik untuk bisa ngatur semua ini. Dan hari ini kita latihan, tetapi intensitinya akan low. Terus 5 pertandingan penting di masa ke depan adalah, yang pertama adalah Bayangkara FC, terus kedua ada di Manila. Dan dia rasa itu harus jelas ya, kita ingin juara di AFC. Terus sekarang yang realistis, kita harus punya kayak seperti tujuan di ujung jalan itu. Pertama adalah balik ke top 6. Ketika sudah di top 6, nanti kita masuk ke top 4. Terus kedua tentunya adalah juara di AFC.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kita punya 3 hari buat mempersiapkan lawan Bayangkara setelah kita memenangkan pertandingan lawan Persita. Kita fokus pada Bayangkara, kita ingin melanjutkan tren positif di Liga, kita ingin menjaga tren positif itu. Kita tahu Bayangkara juga memiliki tren positif, tapi kita besok main di rumah, kita main di home, kita akan berusaha memaksimalkan poin dan bisa merebut 3 poin penuh di rumah, dan habis itu kita akan fokus di AFC.
So coach, we know that Bayangkara FC have a winning role for the moment in the second half of the season. How do you see that?
No, we also have a winning role.
Okay.
Jawabannya adalah kita juga sama.
Okay, and then for the second one, Coach, before that, Coach of PSIM, Jean Paul van Gastel, said that the tight schedule is he shocked about the tight schedule of Indonesian League. What do you think about the tight schedule of Indonesian League? Because he says that they didn't have the recovery time for that time. But what do you think about the tight schedule of Indonesian League right now?
For how we adjust to our trip to Manila?
No.
Or in general?
In general.
Listen, that's for us also the same. I think the federation helped us by changing the game between the games in Manila to put the game against Persija on the 15th. We are very happy with that, because then we don't have next week again 3 games, but we can focus on the AFC Challenge Cup. On the other side, we also hope that this game by Ankara would be delayed. That was not possible, so that was a little bit disappointing. So for us now, we played 2 games in a row, and then immediately the next morning we leave. So that's a little bit unlucky, but on the other hand, we also get help. But I think if you play football, and especially if you play sometimes during the week, if we manage in a good way, I think we can manage it. I think that's no problem.
Oke ya, buat kita juga sama, tapi untung federasi bantu kita ganti pertandingan Persija ke tanggal 15, karena minggu depan kita sudah mulai fokus di AFC. Bayangkara FC tadinya juga kita mau delay, tetapi nggak dikasih. Ya sudah, kita ada pertandingan sekarang, terus besok main, besokannya paginya kita udah terbang, ya, gitu.
Oke.
Ya, kita mempersiapkan semuanya di latihan, semua pemain itu berbahaya dan semua pemain bisa berpotensi, tapi kita bisa memanage itu, kita berusaha untuk fokus pada diri kita sendiri, kita berusaha yang terbaik untuk mendapat 3 poin.
Oke, baik. Terima kasih Mas Rido atas jawabannya. Mungkin itu menjadi pertanyaan terakhir untuk pre-match sore hari ini. Thank you Coach Yan, terima kasih Mas Rido, terima kasih Coach Bayu, terima kasih untuk semuanya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera.